In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the regulator and motor assembly on your Chevy Silverado. This will be located inside of the door. Let's get started. Remove the trim cover behind the handle using a small pick. Behind that will be a 7mm bolt. Remove that. Inside of the door cup is going to be one more of those trim pieces. Pick it up in the back. Lift it up and out. There's going to be two 7mm screws under that. Remove the two screws. Using a plastic trim tool, get under this panel. We're going to pop it out. Right here, there's going to be one more 7mm bolt. Remove the bolt. There's two more 7mm bolts on the bottom of the door. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to go behind the door card and pop the clips out. Once you have quite a few, you can grab the door and just pull straight out and pop the clips off. Lift the door up and out on the back part and move to the front. Remove the door cable, push on the tab, pull straight back. Pull the cable out to the side and out of the handle. Remove the plastic stay. Remove the connector. Flick this red switch like a light switch. Flick it down. Push on this tab and pull the lever down. And disconnect the connector. Remove the door card. Pop the plastic clip in the corner using a plastic trim tool. Now we're going to pull back, removing the trim piece from around the door. We'll have one more plastic clip right here. Pop that out of place. Follow it back, pulling out the window trim. Remove the two 7mm bolts for the bracket. Remove the bracket, peel down the vapor barrier. Pull the door cable out of the vapor barrier. We're just going to fully remove it. You don't have to, you could just leave it attached on the bottom. Remove the door plug. Reaching behind and pushing out or using a small pick, remove the door plug. Loosen the 10mm bolt behind that. Just loosen, don't remove. We're going to have one more in the front. We're loosening the bolts that pinch the glass. Using some painter's tape, we're going to tape up the window with 2 to 3 pieces. Install the door connector. With the key in the on position, we're going to roll the window down so the bracket comes away from the glass. Turn the key to the off position and remove the door card. Disconnect the connector for the window regulator. There's a tab on bottom. Push on that, pull straight back. Remove the 5 10mm nuts for the window regulator assembly. Two more on the right side. Push the studs through into the door. Work the assembly out of the vehicle and remove it. Install the assembly into the vehicle. Line the studs up and get the nuts started. Snug the nuts down. Install the connector for the window motor. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the connector for the window switch. We're going to roll the window up to meet the glass. Before rolling up the window, we're going to make sure our clamps are open for the glass. On this right side, you'll need to roll it up till you can get to the bolt, and then go ahead and loosen it. Once both clamps are open, roll the window all the way up, making sure the clamps are sitting, making sure the glass is sitting in the clamp. We're going to remove our window switch. connector and remove the door card. Snug down the 10mm bolts for the glass. Remove the tape from the window. Install the cap, push it into place. Install the vapor barrier, get the door cable through it. Use the dimples in the vapor barrier to line it back up. Push it down into place. Install the bracket. Get the bolts started. Snug the bolts down. On the back of the door card, we're going to slide out this window trim piece. Put that off to the side. We're going to pop these clips off. Pop the metal clips out of the door. There's a tab at the top you can pull down on. Lift slightly up on the bottom and then pull it out. Put the door card to the side. Install the trim clips into the slots in the door. Install the window trim piece onto the top of the sill. Install the trim piece for the window. Get it started in the front and then wrap it around the whole window, being sure it's sitting inside of our window seal. Grab the door card, install the window switch connector, lock it down into place, close that light switch, install the door cable, pull it out and around, push it into place and clip it, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Rod through the door. Get the front clips lined up, then go around pushing all the clips into place. Install the screw behind the door handle. Install the trim door, push it into place. Install the two in the dead handle. Install the one in the front inside of the door. Install the trim door, push it down into place. Install the trim piece. Get it started on the top, hinge it down and clip it into place. Install the 2 bolts on the bottom of the door. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.